Hello friends, my name is Miss Raena, and today we're doing a story time for Memorial Day. Today is Memorial Day, and it's a day where we celebrate and remember all of those who have been a part of the United States military. I'm just going to read a book today. I'm not going to do my felt board story. I just wanted to focus on this book here, Rolling Thunder by Kate Mesner and illustrated by Greg Ruth. And this book is inspired by a real event that happens on Memorial Day. So let's see what that's all about if you hadn't already heard of it. Rolling Thunder by Kate Mesner, illustrated by Greg Ruth. Rolling thunder, freedom ride, today will be at Grandpa's side. Early morning, leaving home, gleaming wheels and polished chrome. Grandpa rides for Joe and Tom, friends he lost in Vietnam. Clicking, clacking, railroad track. Our trip is for Uncle Zach. Flying airplanes far away. His picture rides with me today. Through my window, buildings, towns, meadows rich with greens and browns. Now our journey's almost done. Obelisk and setting sun. Pentagon and city lights, finally our camping sites. Grandpa's friends with arms of steel greet us and prepare a meal. Potomac River, dark and deep, whispered memories, friendship, sleep. Way too early, morning light, blooms from pink to yellow bright. Lines of bikes are miles long, shining 500,000 strong. Rumbling, grumbling engines roar, peace signs, high fives, spirits soar. Motors growling, roaring near, crowds that cry and wave and cheer, raising flags of white and black for those who never made it back. For soldiers lost in other days, POWs, MIAs, for soldiers serving still today, missing families far away, riding, slowing to a crawl, stopping, then there it is, the wall. Polished marble, stark and bare, touch a name and say a prayer. Leave a single flower, kneel, names in charcoal, cry and heal. Memories, speeches, quiet crowd, bugle song and heads are bowed. Setting sun and rising moon, whispered wishes, come home soon. Bound by war, forever tied, one last look, it's time to ride. Rising smoke and glowing ember, ride for freedom, ride, remember. Now I'm going to read you the author's note about the event that I was telling you about. Every year on Memorial Day weekend, veterans and their supporters gather in Washington, D.C. for the Rolling Thunder Ride for Freedom, a demonstration honoring America's veterans. Motorcycle riders number in the hundreds of thousands. Many more come to watch and wave, all with a common message. We will never forget. The end. That was Rolling Thunder, our story for Memorial Day this year. I hope you enjoyed that story with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.